strongest marketing strategies that can sell your home fast. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Sincere Real Estate Chat, and if these topics interest you, make sure you subscribe and follow my channel as I put videos out there every Thursday. In this video, you and I will be discussing the strongest marketing strategies that can sell your home fast in any market. Am I exaggerating this? No, using these strong marketing strategies, selling my client home quite fast. There is a caveat, and all these marketing strategies, no matter how strong they are and how hard I worked, it all depended on one main factor, and that was price. Although all these marketing strategies that I'm going to be naming, they are all depending on the price, this video, it's not about the price. Let's get to those marketing points and see what works. Number one is to use high quality photography. It is very important because photos are the first impression a buyer comes toward your listing, and they have an impression that carries through walking through your home. No, I don't use my iPhone and I don't do the photography. I hire the best in Vancouver and top photographers to take care of that. Number 2, 3, and 4, they could be combination of number 1 by hiring one company to satisfy all. So number 2 is drone photography. Drone photography not only can do stunning aerial views of your home, but also they can highlight the amenities and features within the surround of your home and feature that. Number 3 is creating virtual tours. Although virtual tours became very hot during the pandemic era, but it's been working for me for the past 10 years, and I've been using that technology as 3D Matterport or other 3D virtual tours to highlight my listings. Virtual tours can be an amazing tool for strong marketing, and not only can provide a strong sense of what your home looks like, it also provides buyers that they are unable to make physical appointment to see your home, to view your home as a walkthrough 24/7. Number 4 is to create a video tour. Video tours can also be an amazing marketing tool in addition to virtual, drone, and photography. Video tours are best marketing strategies as they can highlight the features of your home. What I do in addition to that is also featuring the amenities and nearby cafes and restaurants and highlight the neighborhood too. Using social media. Social media nowadays are strongest marketing tool for selling your home faster and placing it in the eyes of the potential buyer. Having an active and interactive social media channels nowadays are quite competitive advantage. So when you're working with an agent, ask them about their strategies on social media. Since advertising in social media, it could be a great advantage. And when the listing is up and running, you also can grab that and share it in your own social media and share it with friends and families. Number 6 is to use targeted ads. That includes Google ads, Facebook ads that they are targeting certain niche or certain areas to highlight the features of your home and put it right in front of their face. Number 7 is to hosting an open house. Open house is a great marketing tool. Nothing beats the one-on-one conversation, and instead of me taking a video and sending it virtually to someone, I can be there to highlight the features of your home at your open house. What I do prior to the open house, I get there an hour early and I knock on the neighbors' doors and invite them to join me for this open house. There's 2 purposes for this. Number 1 is to make the open house busier. A busier open house creates a FOMO or fear of missing out. Number 2 is giving these neighbors a great chance and very limited time to share your home with the people that they want to live right by them. Number 8 is doing broker open house. Sometimes a broker opens, since it's only marketed toward brokerages and not public, it can be done prior to the listing going live. It will give the chance to those brokerages that they are active in that particular area to know what's an upcoming listing coming up so they can share it exclusively with their own clients. You can also do broker open after you're listing it on the market and expose it further. Number 9 is emphasizing the unique features of this home. All the marketing materials, whether it's a feature sheet or online presence, should highlight the specific feature of the home, whether it's a beautiful backyard, a large balcony, pool, or any other feature can be a seller toward those potential buyers. Number 10 is to highlight the neighborhood. It is super important to also highlight the neighborhoods and the offering and amenities in all marketing material. This can include parks, schools, zoning, and many other features can attract buyers to that particular neighborhood. You can also include the crime rate. That can be a selling feature. Number 11 is to use email marketing. Yes, email is not dead yet, and email marketing can be a great tool for sharing this listing as soon as it goes live or even prior to going live to all your network. Number 12 is to create a property website or link. This is a great out of the box and a strong marketing strategy. Number 13 is the staging. I made quite a bit of video about the staging and highlighting the fact how important it is that it can fetch more dollar and brings the vision to eyes of the buyers. It is important and a strong marketing tool, and it cannot be ignored. If you want to know more about staging and how you can save dollar by doing so, contact me, put the comment below, and I'll be happy to further assist. One hint, you can do virtual staging at a fraction of the cost. Number 14 is to do national and international marketing. Despite of our Canadian 2-year ban of foreign buyers, we're still targeting international buyers no matter what, since those international buyers may know someone that is citizen or resident of Canada and they are unaware of that particular home. So never ignore this fact that every percentage counts, and it is my competitive advantage to internationally advertise and expose your home. Number 15 is to hire an agent that is expert in marketing. Being specialized in marketing and know the exact strategies of where to start, who to tackle, and where to feature your home, it's very important, and it's quite an advantage for any real estate agent to have that knowledge. These 15 points were just a few points from the marketing strategy and a magic box that I do for many of my clients, and I get results. If your home needs super marketing, you know who to hire, just give me a call and I'll be happy to assist. But before you go, make sure you subscribe to my channel and like this video so more people like you can see this.